Yeah, this is Anibal Ollero. I am professor at the University of Seville and director of the Robotics Laboratory and also scientific director of the Aerospace Technology Center, CATEC, also at Seville. We have been working on upgrading our outdoor robots, aerial and ground robots. We also worked on some research. We also disseminate the result in some papers. We developed some papers. And also we organized some workshops and dissemination activities in general, yes. The technical challenges are related with the manipulation while moving. So that means, for example, how to manipulate while flying, but also manipulation in mobile ground robots, combining the wheeled and the legged locomotion. So we have to move at the same time to manipulate objects, and that involves a number of challenges related to how to perceive the environment and how to plan the motions and how to control the motions. We try to implement intelligent functions coming from other work packages and also the transfer of knowledge between robots. Particularly, for example, we are developing technologies to transfer maps between different robots and in general, how to transfer knowledge, for example, for logistic application. So several robots are performing a logistic application. How is possible to transfer the knowledge from one robot to the other about this application? So this kind of functionalities that we implement in euRobots are coming from the interaction between several work packages. Manipulation while moving involves a number of scientific challenges involving the perception, planning, and control. We have to integrate all these challenges in a coherent way and to perform applications, intelligent applications. So that means that there is not intervention of a person, and the robots can cooperate in an autonomous way. I can see two. One of them is, as I mentioned, logistic application. I am considering now logistic application, particularly in disaster scenarios, as we have, for example, with floods in Spain some weeks ago, in which we can use the robot to provide medicines or to provide foods to insulated people, but also we can use the robots to help in search and rescue activities. All this is one of the scenarios. Other is how to transport heavy loads to avoid that people should have to transport these loads. So this can be by using one or several robots in the transportation. So these two applications, transportation of loads and logistics, could be, in my opinion, direct application of our robots. I think that this concept of information and, in general, knowledge transfer between different robots is a motivation to collaborate with other work packages, but also to increase the autonomy of our robots. Not only the classical automatic functions, but we have to perform in all the different conditions and in a reliable way. So increasing the reliability and increasing the possibility of our robot to perform in an autonomous way functions are something that we are collaborating with other work packages, and we hope that it will be very useful. We plan to perform in the final demonstration some kind of coordinated application between different robots. So the robot should cooperate at the higher level to perform a joint mission, for example, logistic applications, and then they should perform all the functionality that we have been working these years in a joint demonstration. So this joint demonstration we started to perform last year in Spain, in Seville, but we will have in the future another joint demonstration which will be more rich in terms of robotic functionalities. And then I think that this collaboration could be very useful for future applications. Our work package is devoted to outdoor applications, but we can also perform outdoor and indoor applications. So we can transfer information, and we can also transfer objects between indoor and outdoor. So we can contribute to these outdoor functionalities by flying or by moving by ground together with the other robots in other work packages in which they are working on indoor applications. So we will be able to move outdoor and indoor in such a way that we can perform a joint mission.